and welcome back. This is our first Mudhoney tune. Oh yes, and we're going for the classic, Touch Me, I'm Sick. And I'm using the good old Fender Jag, but with a very cheap pedal, the Super Fuzz by Behringer. Now this is about 20 quid. I think it was less than that actually, which is an absolute bargain anyway, but it sounds brilliant. It's got that lovely spitty, metallic-y, octavey stuff going on. I'm in the Fuzz 1 setting, but if you flick down to the Fuzz 2 setting, yeah, another cool tone. So you could totally use this for both guitar parts, and that is what I intend to do. So the main guitar part, I'm going to be using Fuzz 1, and the sort of accompanying guitar part, Fuzz 2. So, first riff. It's great, isn't it? It's super hacky as well. So you're going to play 2 on the 5th fret. This is an A basically in this tuning. Right. But then you do a little whack down. And then you move up to the D sharp, right, which is the 6th fret. So your power chord goes up 1 fret and up 1 string. Then you go down 1 fret, and then you go down 2 frets. Okay, so it's... And then you play the last one, the G there, 3rd fret on the E string, okay? So slowly... So that strumming pattern is down, down, whack, up, 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 down, up, down. The only tricky part is actually going from the C to the G, I think, there, really. And then the second bar goes... just hangs on the C power chord there, right? So just smash around it like that. I'll do it one more time slowly. 3, 4. And the second guitar part plays a much more simple part, and that goes like this. 2, 3, 4. Like that, right? And I've switched into Fuzz 2 for this tone. So let the A chord ring out for 2 beats and then mute it, okay? So 3, 4. And then the next bar is just... So you play the A chord and just slide it up to the 5th fret, okay? For 2 beats. So 2 beats. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And that is that. Now... the next part, they play the same thing, and that is just this. And then back into that, right? Flip back over to Fuzz 2. So, that is just this rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And away you go. And then you got this extended bit which goes... Then you're back into that, right? So it's just a load of power chords. Start on the A with that rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Move everything up 1 string to D. And then you repeat this phrase 3 times. Like that, right? So it's just going from the 7th fret to the 5th fret, but you get this. All right, so you're just finishing it with 3 on the D. But when you play the next one, you're kind of moving while you play that, so it might just, it's more of an effect than anything else. You don't actually play. Because it's quick, right? So it's just that. And then the fourth time you play, you do a little rundown. Then you got some solo fills, they go like this. And then you're into the main solo, right? So that's just, you do this double stop bend. I think it's a full bend actually there, so. And then the 5th fret. And again. And the second one goes like this. Okay. And then you've got the third one. So, second one slowly. Full bend on the 7th fret. And then 5th fret on the B. And then bend, release, pull off. Then you've got this. Pretty straightforward. And the timing's really loose, so don't worry about it too much. Then the last one. Just almost a unison bend. Just on the 5th fret on the B and the 7th fret on the G. And you can just smash around in the A minor pentatonic. So just make some noise there and have fun. And then it ends with this. When you go into the... Just ends with that. And that's it. You're done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.